What is your name?
Bella Robinson.
Good girl. How old are you? Yay! How old are you?
2.
And what's your favorite color?
Orange.
Orange. And what's your daddy's name?
Bird.
No, Babe.
No, bird.
Oh, is daddy's name Bird?
Uh-huh.
What's mommy's name?
Angel.
And what's your brother's name?
Bam Bam.
And what's your other brother's name?
Mega.
And where are they?
Our school.
Can you look at mommy?
My school.
Yeah. What's your kitty's name?
Rocky.
What's your other kitty's name?
Cece.
Say, I love you, Daddy.
Love Daddy. Everything's smart.
You're growing big and smart.
Now I can go on my nap.
Okay, what's your name?
Bella Robinson.
Good job.
Yay! We together.